This
Okay.
is smoke, you know, it's a cigarette.
Cigarette.
We not cigarette.
You not got you smoke a marijuana? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, do you hear that? Good day! And welcome to today's vlog.
Yeah.
Now these guys are smoking in a no smoking area, but not cigarette. It's a funny thing across Asia. I know. I just come from Thailand.
Oh, you come from...
You know what Thailand did?
It's illegal.
Illegal now in Thailand. That's why I had to leave, because I smoked too much and just sleep all day, all night. So I had to leave.
And drinking also.
Yeah, me drink, Leo.
Maybe join our walk. Are you a vlogger?
Yeah, I'm vlogging now.
What your vlog?
A YouTuber, yes.
YouTube. What YouTube you?
Vlogging a dead horse. You can watch me smoking in Thailand. And here today, welcome. So you know how it is. I get distracted, but we are at Kuala Lumpur Butterfly Park, the Taman Rama Kuala Lumpur. One of the biggest butterfly parks in the world. And after I've done the butterfly park, I'm taking you to something even bigger.
It's a bird.
It's a bird, yeah, the bird, yeah. Shh. Guys, you have a good day. All the best.
What are you doing? Vlog?
Vlogging
For?
a dead horse. Okay.
Enjoy the
Okay, you fine? Good? Have a good day, guys. Okay, so we're going in. I paid for my ticket. Hello. Good morning. Okay, this is the way in. Oh man, there's a big shop next door. Now I've really been looking forward to getting to a butterfly park, because part of my history, my life, well, like I told you, but I used to do a little bit of anthropology. One was an anthropologist. Yes. So butterflies are my thing, man. You'll always see me looking at the butterflies. Look at this place. It's wicked. They're everywhere. Wow, man. It is cool. Look at them. They're everywhere. Oh man, they're all parked up on the net. Different species parked up on the roof. They're everywhere. And the garden, wow, looks really cool. Really cool. Cool Kuala Lumpur. I have, guys, I know this is only my second vlog since I've been here, but I have spent quite a bit of time here already, walking about, meeting people, talking to people, different nationalities, and everybody is really cool, really friendly, really chatty. People even say hello to me with, you know, I've never met before. So it is, and where I've been round Kuala Lumpur, I've found so many things of an interest. It is going to be tough to squeeze them all in into 3 days, but so here we are. This is the big old butterfly park. Let's have a walk about, see if we can get close to some butterflies. It is awesome. Sand or water. So what's going to be in here? There's rocks. Rocks, look. Don't feed the rocks. You see, look at the side. You see them all stuck up on there, on the netting. The big old ones, look. But I haven't there with the green. You see, oh no, man, here, look. They are wicked. The size of them. I won't mind some of them. Oh man, they are wicked. Now, all the time I spent in Thailand, I did see a few butterflies on my treks, but there's one butterfly that I did not see. One of the biggest butterflies in the world. Oh man, look at the hatchery. Oh man, the chrysalises and larvas, look. This is where I'll hatch them. They won't let me open it. I like the pin they used. Look at that. Wow, man, that's a proper leather pin. But yeah, they're all in there, man. which is really cool. You don't often see stuff like that. But the one butterfly I didn't see was the Atlas moth. Well, Thailand's biggest butterfly, but I hadn't seen any. Unless, of course, I was not in the area where they would be. But look at this place, man. There's fish in those fish tanks. The sound of water everywhere. Now that the sun is now coming out, it is just a wicked, wicked garden. Oh man, more butterflies are everywhere. Water. Butterflies like a bit of water. Whoa! Oh man! Look at these ones on here. Look, they're eating on they're supping out the sugars. Look at these, the leaf ones. Look, they're a little bit battered. Oh man, there's one on the floor there. That leaf, look, you see the moving leaf? Well, that one is an actual, look, what a wicked butterfly he is. And they're just taking the sugars out. His wings aren't bad, but there's two here down on the floor. This one's got waterlogged. They're the same species of butterfly. You see, one is the blue one here, the other one is green. But he's dead. Oh man. Someone will come and pick him later. And then they'll dry them out. And then people like me will buy them to fund this place to keep it alive. Whew, wow, you big bugger. Awesome. This is wicked. Well, I hope you guys like it. I'll try and get around here pretty quick because I've got the bird cage to get around. But it is just, oh man, awesome. Cheers, mate. They weren't nationals, they were visitors. It pissed me off, tourists, because I think there were only people there. I'm like, why? So I like in the Victorian banisters, or is it Portuguese senator? Don't know. Oh man, there it is, it's a wicked garden. It is really cool, man. I like walking about here. I haven't used the camera yet, which I will. I will try and photograph some of these, which of course will be difficult because they don't sit still. Like that one. I've got a couple like that at home. No way! Oh man, they ain't sitting still. Mind you, I'm sweating quite a bit, so human sweat, they may actually get them to come on my hands. Human sweat is a massive attractor for butterflies. They are. It is. Cool. Oh man, a little concrete walkway. Oh man. I see another broken one down there. Or a dead one, or half a wing or whatever. You know, there's people coming this way. I want a place to myself, don't I? I mean, I can see them. It's weird how people don't see me. Oh, will I get him? These butterflies are fluttering about, but I don't think I'll get them. They won't stay still long enough. They won't. So we're going down here. Whoa, man. But no atlas moths. You would have thought they'd have atlas moths in here. Atlas moths are huge. Wow, look at that. That's proper tropical. Oh, there's one up there trying to land, look. Like a hummingbird. Oh, funny, he's awesome. Yeah, I lost him. Look, like a hummingbird, look, wings going. Oh man. Just hovering and taking out pollen. It's wicked. It is wicked. And there's another one flat out there. Oh well, I walk around and I like to come around and take some pictures and then go to the bear, the bird garden. Not the bear garden. However, I have found, oh man, it is just superb, man. I have found somewhere where I can go and do it. There are boozers in that air, so. Wow, it is awesome. Cool place. And it was 25 ringgit to get in, which is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, £5 sterling, roughly. Oh man. And I need some food, I found some cool places to eat where I've been just looking around, walking about. I found some really cool spots. See what's around here. Oh man, there's another one of them real big ones. Oh no, it's a bird. And a little orchid. That is an orchid, isn't it? That thing there. The white thing, the white leaf. I'm pretty sure that's an orchid. Oh man, there's a white one. So it's pretty good, nonetheless. And it is just a brief. So look at them all up there, the yellow and black ones. Oh man. And this white one, look at him. The black dots are difficult to see on the screen because of the camera. Whoa man. And it's got out hot. Humid. Very humid. I'm loving the garden. I'd love a butterfly garden like this where I live, wherever that's going to be at some stage, at some point of one's life. Wicked. Oh, I'm really wilting. So I think, oh man, this is a cool spot, look. Don't know what it is. It's just really cool. Wicked place. Wicked place. Wow. And then I guess this is the way that you go out. Oh, my camera's getting hot, I can feel that. And that is a bird. It is, I'm chasing the bird, look. Oh, man. That one there's had his wings clipped. Okay. Still chasing that bird. It is a wicked garden. Superb. Butterflies everywhere. Flutterbys. I thought it's so geezers outside smoking fucking weed joint. It's like, yeah, I think Thailand, like I say, you've got to be really careful. It's just because Thailand's done something. Neighbouring countries think, well, it's alright for us to do. Get on, man. It's quite funny. Oh, man. Right, guys. I'll put you on hold while I take some pictures. Well, I'm just off to the aviary. Here, look, I'm on the side of it. That is, it's a massive, great metal mesh. It's actually the world's biggest walk-in free-flight aviary. So I'm looking forward to getting in there, but I kind of expected, what do you call them, a proper glass, Victorian type aviary, didn't I? It's like, when I saw this metal, what was that mess? Oh, that's the aviary. But I have been sidetracked as I'm walking round to the entrance by a strange noise. There's the aviary. There's the bush, and then beneath it, lurking, right there, and I'm sure, whoop, that is, he's freaking a bit, look, I'm getting a bit close. at him, is he going to strike? A little water monitor lizard. I think, well, I say that, he's the same shape, but he's not the same colour as the ones I normally see. I'm sure that's a water monitor lizard. Anyway, moving on. Whew, let's go to the bird cage. I think oh man, it looks cool from the outside. Oh man, so you walk all around all on this skyline, skyway. Oh look at the size of that thing. You see him, that white thing? The big beak, right on the top of that tree. Awesome, big birds in there. I like big birds, I cannot lie. Yeah. Well, I made it at the entrance. This place is a lot bigger than what I just saw. Here's a map. It's 75 ringgit to get in, which is £15, but you get your own map and your own wristband. And I think where are we? Oh, okay. Anyway, we're going in. That said exit there. Hello? Where am I? Oh, we're here? Yeah. So we're going... Wow, okay, thank you. Right, we're going in. You need to put that on? Okay. Having a wristband on. Oh, thank you. Cup on cap. No outside food or drinks. That's fair enough. Feeding the animals. These birds look impressive, and like I said, this is the biggest free flight aviary in the whole world. So I'm glad you're still with me. Oh man, it is cool. It's just coming in the entrance. And oh man, look at him. Fuck, look at him. Stalky. Wicked. How cool is he? It's all metal mesh, so it's going to be difficult getting photographs of birds through metal mesh, like prisoners. Oh man, I'll put my map away. What we got in here? Oh, they're the love aviary. Alright, they'll be all lovebirds. Oh, the masked lovebirds, the peach-faced lovebird, the monk-peak parakeet. Anyway, cockatiel. Oh man, they're all there. Is that a cockatiel? No? Or is it a young one? He's just a budgie. They're all budgies. You love birds? Well, all up there, look, is that a canary up there? Are they canaries? Oh, Nabo! Canaries? Oh man, they're parakeets, these little things. You can see these, the green ones, flying around Margate. You can, on the southeast coast. Margate's full of parakeets. Oh man, oh, we're in. Superb. There's that bird up there, look, flying about. Let's have a walk about, then I can walk double. But oh man, the fish. Oh, this place is superb. I recommend this straight away, whether you're into birds or not. Look at him, a pelican. Is it a pelican? Size of him. Ooh. Oh man, a little wicked looking bird over here. Let's zoom in on the pelican first. Got a peacock there. Big old pelican. Alright, oh, you look a bit beaky. Never work with children or animals. I ain't got to take my head off. He's fucking have a swing. I'm not the sofa, I'm not sure about it. Look at him clacking away. Oi. Oh man, And the fish, huge shoal of fish. I don't know if he's going to stalk one out, isn't he? He's looking stalky like. Go on, son, get a fish. One. It looks like he's ready to pounce. I'm stepping back. He's got his eye on me. Here come the fish. Look, there the fish. Oh, he bolted. Go on, a pelican. Oh man. How often do you get to see a pelican fishing? Go on, oh son. No, he's itching his ass. Another little bird up there, look. Wicked looking spot. Really good. And over here, oh man, look, there's a peacock. That's the male of the peacocks, the bright coloured ones. Oh man, another one right there, look. Really cool. Oh man, there's two more down there, everywhere. This is Bird City. They are everywhere. I can see my battery's starting to run down, which is not a problem. So I think I have a spare. That is cool, man. That's really cool. Peacock just there, look. Just wandering about. So I think Sandringham have peacocks just wandering about. Or I'm sure they used to. I saw them as a kid. Sure I did. Oh man, these birds. Oh man. Up here, these look super stunning. Wow. Big stalky looking birds. Oh man, it's a peacock. Just happen to be everywhere, these birds. Look, but look at the stalks. All flamingos. Are they flamingos? I think those two are. And this one is awesome. Let's have a... I don't know if you're supposed to. Oh, it's a feeding point. Please do not litter. So you can come in here. I guess. No one else is. Look at them two, man. What a wicked looking bird. Look at his head. Oh, man. So you've got to peg the camera? Superb looking bird. And the two flamingo looking things there. You see them? They only get told off or kicked out. Oh, look at them. They must be pink flamingos. Oh man. I've got to get my camera out. I've got to get a picture of them. Hang on. I'm going to be here a long time. This is awesome. I'm having a really good time. I say the birds here are awesome. Let me see if I can get this little one here, look. Wicked looking creature. Oh, hey. Come on then. Come on then, buddy. Come on. Going for a little walk. Another one over there, look. Wicked. Oh, it's one creeping up on me. Awesome place. Oh mate, the fauna as well. Birds everywhere, man. Them little things, they're everywhere. They're really cool. What a wicked spot. More peacocks. And there's another one there, more birds. They are absolutely everywhere. There's a koi pond down there. There's just so much wildlife. Like I say, this is huge. It's going to take me a good couple more hours walking about here. More peacocks, look. What about that? Is awesome. As far as 75 rand go, it's not too bad. Oh man, owls. Please do not use flash. Tawny owls, barn owls. Man, they are cool. Oh, look at them up there, man. They are wicked. They're really wicked. I like owls. Ooh, sorry. It's a wicked spot. And I've got to say, the people, right, seriously, the residents, Kuala Lumpur, really polite. I've never, they are, it's brilliant. It is. I am impressed with Kuala Lumpur and its inmates. And the streets are really clean. Everywhere's clean. Kuala Lumpur is wicked. Oh mate, look, oh, mate, you can't just lay there, mate. What are you giving up? You giving up, buddy? He's just sitting there having a dump, look. A bit nervous maybe. I don't know. Oh man, the peacock's there, man. Free flying birds feeding show at 10:30 AM. So you get her of a morning. You see the peacocks. The peahens are the grey ones. And I have a wicked bird there on this old metal post of some sort. But man, what we got here? Eagles feeding. Oh, yeah, we've got a little eagle at the back. A white bearded eagle there, look. And there's a few more in there. Oh look, these little birds are everywhere. What, birdie? Yeah, you be careful where you walk. It's like Lumpini Park. You be careful, they sneak up on you. And then you step on them. Big lizards. It's like here with the birds. It's brilliant. Two more eagles here. They are small, tied like the eagles that we usually see in Thailand. One there, one at the back. There's another little bird at the back there. He's a pigeon. It's a pigeon as well. Right. Wicked grounds. Whoa. They're everywhere. Everywhere you look, but look. Wicked, you've got walkways here. Oh, that's closed. That's where I want to go, where it says closed. Oh man, they got pigeons. Look, we even got, they're a bit shy, the pigeons, on the feeding point. They buggered off. Typical pigeons. Like, oh man, this bridge is awesome. Going across the bridge with a lily garden beneath me. That is not in flower at the moment, but look. Wicked. Oh man, look at that big old peacock over there. Look at it, the greenery of it, the foliage. The fauna. I like Dave. What was his name? Not Dave from Attleborough. What was the other geezer's name? Oh God, I'm trying to think of his name. That peacock is wicked. The colour, the blues. The blues, mate. You got the blues? Wicked. Oh, man. Okay. Got to take some pictures. And we've got an emu. Or is it an ostrich? The size of that bird. Funny creatures. Oh, he's gone bald. Oh, okay. Not sure if it's, oh man, look at this peacock with his feathers out. Look at him. Whoa. Right on cue. It's superb. That is absolutely something else. So nice to see this as a kid. I'm sure at Sandringham. Sure I did. They'll be walking about. I'm not sure if that's still there because I haven't been to Sandringham since the school took us there. It's quite some time ago. But wicked. The things you see here, mate, are fantastic. Look at him, he's still there. There is a monkey up in the tree. It's freaking him out.
Dudi monkey, Dudi.
Wicked, look at him. He is awesome.
Dudi, Papa. Dudi, look at me. Dudi.
Look at that. What a picture, you guys. You ain't going to see that often. Let me see the little monkey up there. He's up there, look, the old monkey. There's another one creeping about. Okay. Right. Let's go round this way. Whoa! Oh, peacock. He's getting in the way of everyone, but look at this. It's all caged in. Oh man. It is kind of, well, for me it's kind of surreal. With every now and then the call to prayer, I don't know if you hear it, there's a huge mosque just over there, so the call of prayer comes into play. Yeah, quite a bit. Oh man, you've got a cage full of monkeys here. Best place for them. I say that, look, you're hardly going to keep them in there, are you? Look at that little fella. Monkeys. I've seen enough of monkeys. Ah, man, look at him. They are cool. Cute. Oh. I can hear stuff. All right, buddy. They're getting freaked out, but they want to know what the camera's all about. Now they're going to jump on me. 3 of them, look, 3 little monkeys. I'm out of here. I know their manoeuvres all too well. Can't be trusted. Oh, they really can't. I've got to try to save me battery. The noise here is pretty intense. Water, birds chirping. Oh man, I thought I saw some flamingos. Just a few, look. Oh. And one's over there with the wings up. Oh mate, and look in the background, the second tallest building in the world. The flamingo flying in. Wow. It is absolutely awesome, awesome, awesome park. Look at them flying about, man. It is superb. It is really, really cool. Flamingos are cool. I don't know if the other ones are. Don't know, look, they're all just stood still. He's with his leg all cocked up, look. Not moving, though, buddy. This one is falling asleep. Typical. Typical. Flamingo, look at a big old pelican in the middle there looking for his dinner. There's 2 pelicans. Oh, that's wicked. Wicked. You got this bird here who hasn't moved. I wonder if he'll fly off in a second. Wow, he's not as timid as the other with his mates. He's just walking away. He's cool. Really cool. The sun has now come out. Wow. What a wicked spot. Look at them all up there. Man, it is awesome. Absolutely. Wow. Pelican flying, man. Here we come. Here we come. Wicked, mate. Wicked. You'll come and say hello. Oh, man. That is superb. It is Wildlife City. Oh man, am I meant to be here? He says, fucking no damn well I ain't meant to be here. Look, the birds are less finicky, I think. Don't know. You're friendly, aren't you, buddy? Are you? You're looking at me with that beady beak. Don't want to get pegged. But look, I'm going off piste and I'm creeping about because I've got boots on. But look, man, look at this view. Look at them all. Wow, they're all lit up in here, out of the way of the public eye. Except for my beady little eye. I wonder if I can get them all to fly. I wonder. I wouldn't mind getting some wicked. Look at it. You're gonna take flight. Look at them all, man. Wow. I'm in. Wow, look at them. Beautiful pictures I'm gonna get with these buggers on the trees. Wow. Okay, that's enough for you guys, but that is awesome. Someone knows showed me. Right. Gotta get a picture. Gotta get a selfie with the flamingos. Ain't I? Wow, Flamingo City. I have entered level 3, which is really good. 10 species of hornbills living in Malaysia, and this one here, you see them, these are encaged, but they're the type of hornbills I was seeing here when I was on Koh Phangan. Oi, you go on. He wants me selfie stick. Go on then. You want a stick? Go on. Have a fight, you fat. Having a fight with the hornbill. Yeah, he's got it, look. Go on, get the stick, son. Go on. Go on, have it. Cool. Right, I'll let him off. Have people watching me. That was funny. Feeding the hornbill with my selfie stick. That was a good little bit of footage, was it not? You don't often get to see that. Okay, more birds left and right. Oh wow, so this is a wicked part of the grounds where you're more caged birds rather than in open aviaries, which is all, it's all good. And so I'm only about a quarter of the way round, or a third. I'm about a third of the way round. So look, oh, the little hornbills are at the back. Oh man, it's another hornbill, Asian black hornbill, right there. You see him facing the other way. Nice little koi pond. Oh man, this is a wicked spot. And I keep saying it, guys, but I really like it here. I really do. And more emus down there. As I'm going in, oh excuse me, to zone 4. This is how you enter through the zones. Just pull one door, boom, thank you, and push the other one. No problem. Thanks, buddy. Oh man, what we got here? Cockatoo. We have a cotillo and parrots. Oh look. Hello. Good day. No. Good day. No, okay. We tried. It'd be funny if I got a recording of a good day. Can you say good day? Hello. Hello. Good day. Great if I've got a parrot, pigeon, whatever they are. More parakeets and everything like that in there. Oh, it's been now got, I don't know, parakeets. Blue check Amazon parrots. No, parakeets, plum-headed ones. There's a little tiny plum-headed one there, look. So we'll walk through that section. pretty quick. No, there's more birds both ways. That's like, I don't know, I'm going this way. Oh wow, look at it, it is awesome. All right, it's the road. Oh man, that's a road down there. Wicked countryside. And this is done so well. Like I say, I can only compare to the country that I have been to for some time. I tell you what, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, knocks spots off Thailand. It's clean. The people are nice, pleasant. Oh man, that's some mad looking birds. Don't you see them with the great big crests on their head? Oh mate. Oh man, I don't know what they are. A load of birds in that aviary up there. I think they're probably smaller birds. I don't know, look at them man. There's some weird stuff on his head. Massive great crest, look. There's two of them. I don't know what they are. Okay, so there's all more. I think that's all little stuff that way. I don't know. It's a gallery, taxidermy stuff in there. Ostrich feeding. You go in there and you feed some ostriches. So I think them birds, oh right now here are the ostriches, look. This guy's got his feed. And the ostriches are up here, look, there's a little baby one. It's a little one. And there's more cages all right at the back there. He's, I ain't the little one, it's molting. I thought that was a too little one. I will have to get glasses. Well, I've got glasses. I should have to wear them more. We've got more ostriches. Here, they look like a different breed. And we've got, I don't know, in there. Oh man. Oh, and that is the netting that I first saw. Just to give you some idea how big this place is. It took me, what? It took me a good hour and a half to get through to what I thought was the only, I thought that was it. But no. Very, very impressive park. Oh man. And £15, that's not too bad. You know, it's not too bad. Oh wow, so we got here more free range birds. There's got to be monitor lizards walking about there for sure. I can't see any birds. I can hear them. I'm going in there. Now I can use my camera a bit more. Yeah, look. Oh yeah, that is what I thought was it. I thought that was it, just that. Oh man, the waterfall aviary is where it is, and where. Tell you, I'm out of my feet. I'm soaked with sweat for the second time today. I'm going in. Whew. My jeans are now soaked with sweat. I won't normally put jeans on, but all I've got is beach shorts. And I haven't, that bag that I cling filmed up, right? I think I'm just going to leave it like it. Because otherwise I'm going to have to do it again for a flight in a few days. So just going to make do with what's in the big bag. So that's what that's all about. Oh man, wicked. It looks wicked. I need to get down there to take some pictures, but what a wicked walkabout again. It's just nice. Oh man, under the waterfall. I mean, check that out. Wow. It's wicked. Sitting there smoking a big fat rifter would be awesome. It'd be really nice. We're going round this bit. And I'll tell you what, I'm up to me walking pace. I've probably done in No, I'd say I've probably done 10 kilometres already, easy. What a wicked waterfall. Superb. See how much I can get in. See how little of me I can get in. Thumbnails, isn't it? I'm having fun. I'm having fun with my thumbnails. Oh man. Whew. So I'm having fun walking about here. And well, from here I need to get a taxi to a shopping mall where there's an airport, where there's a ticket office. I can get a cheap flight to Indonesia for 800 ringgit. 160 quid with luggage. If I can book that today, I might book it for, I might stay here for a couple extra days. Like I say, I want to hire a bike or hire a car so I can get out and about to a few more resorts, a few more places here in a short space of time. So I can really, like I say, really see what everything Kuala Lumpur has to offer. And right now it's wicked. I recommend it to anybody. I know what other stuff I've got to go and see and what I've got to do, and some of the places I've seen to eat and drink, it's just like us be walking around on recon as always. Whatever I see is recon, isn't it? I've got right and vlog that. Yeah, I'll put that into a vlog. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do this first, then I'll do that. that's all my brain is. It's just keyed and clued into that. But man, wicked. It's just a wicked photo there, look, isn't it? Mum sent husband and the 2 daughters up for a photo. How cool. Really good. Really good. Whew. And that, my friends, was the world's biggest walk-in flying aviary. Really impressive. But like all good wildlife parks, nature reserves, you have to exit via the gift shop. There were some good gifts. I like the shark, look. Rubber, look, proper rubber shark, man. Oh man, dinos, they're alright. I love toys, don't I? I come with the toys, look at these, they're really cool. What's that, a bear? What do I do with that? That's for kids. But that's cool, man. That actually look like a panda. Toys. You know what I said, if you want to get a hat, get a head. If you want to get really ahead, get 2 hats. But if you really want to get a long way ahead, then you need to get yourself 3 hats. What do you reckon? Can we have a nut? Is that me? Well, you know, that's it. I'm out of here, guys. And as that was a long vlog, I can tell you this is a happy ending right here, right now. That cool as well. Look, they made these out of metal. A little bit of weld going on and that. Rivet taps. I like this kind of stuff. I do. Someone's used imagination. It's cool. Oh mate, there's more of it. Look. That's really cool stuff. Oh man, and these things, look. Little birds. Oh mate. Oh, they've got a necklace look like that. Ah, I thought they were little key rings. But they're all cool, mate. All this stuff is really cool. And the fake butterflies, I see these as I come out the butterfly place. They had these as well. I did think they were real, man. But they're really good as well. Well done. The butterfly place. When you come out the butterfly place, you will have to walk through the gift shop. Like all good, what would I say, wildlife parks. Ladies, gents, thank you. That was really good. I enjoyed that. Have a good day. Thank you. YouTube, yes. I like that. YouTube. And, oh, you know what? 1 second. Well, a very happy ending. A nice tonic. electrolyte beverages, which I really need. Oh, cheers. And there's a taxi there, and I bet that bloke there looking at me is a taxi driver, nodding his head. Good guess, right? So guys, cheers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, au revoir.